Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Reddit account. What you need to do, first just go to Reddit and log in your account, and then just click here in your username, then click user settings, and then just scroll down and you click here deactivate account, and here you can give optional feedback. Why are you deactivating this account? And here type your username, password, and then click here, check this inbox, and then click deactivate. This is what you need to do if you want to delete your Reddit account. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.